Today, I'll show you how to create a trading strategy for thinkorswim in minutes with AI without writing any ThinkScript from scratch. We'll make a classic EMA crossover strategy. First, let's open Pineify's AI coding agent and select ThinkScript here. We don't need to write code, just describe what we want in plain language. For example, I'll use this prompt and ask it to create a strategy. You can be even more specific, like a crossover strategy with 9 EMA and 21 EMA going long on an upward cross. Exit on a downward cross. Make the EMA parameters adjustable and display both moving averages on the chart. Pineify will generate the complete ThinkScript, including parameters, EMA calculations, crossover conditions, and the key AddOrder for the strategy. Both EMAs are in the same source code for easy review. Click Open Editor to see the chat on the left and the code editor on the right. If you're unsure about any code, just ask the agent to explain it. That's where you find entry and exit timing, plus the AddOrder execution logic. You can also keep modifying the same strategy. For example, if you want signals only during regular trading hours, just ask it to add a session filter without changing the original EMA logic. You can continue developing from the current code. Once the code is done, we'll finally copy our ThinkScript into thinkorswim. Click the copy button at the top right. Then open studies and paste the code to see. The simulated buy and sell signals from the strategy. If you also use thinkorswim but don't want to spend time writing ThinkScript yourself, try Pineify. Our coding agent can generate, review, and keep modifying complete ThinkScript just from your trading idea. The link is in the description. Check our website for details.